Welcome to our YouTube channel on job discovery. The topic going look today is average. Average is equal to sum of observation by number of observation. Now see here, average basic formula is sum of observation divided by number of observation, right? So today question number 1 is, if the average number of 8 terms is given to be 40 and the average of first 6 terms is given to be 35, what is the average of the remaining 2 terms? In this question given 8 terms is equal to 8 terms given to be 40, average 40, right? And the average first 6 terms is given to be 35. So we need to know what is the remaining 2 terms average. Now see here, 8 terms given 40, so total number is 320. First 6 terms given 35, so total number will be 210 because 6 5 is 30, remaining 3, 6 3 is 18 plus 3 is 21 and 2 number is remaining, right? So now see here, 0 1 1 number is remaining 110, but this is average of 2 numbers, right? So 110 by 2, so our answer will be 55 because 8 here, 6 here and 2 here, so 110 divided by 2 is equal to average is equal to 55. So option is the B. Option B is the correct answer. Move to next question. Question number 2. The sum of 3 number is 98 if the ratio between first and second be 2:3 and that between second and third be 5:8, then the second number is. So friend, we need to know what is second number. Sum of 3 number, suppose 3 number is A plus B plus C is 98 if the ratio between first and second A and B is 2:3 and B and C is 5:8. So now see here, suppose A plus B plus C is equal to 98. First and second means A ratio B 2:3, right? And second and third means B is to C is 5:8. Now see here friends, B have 2 ratio 3 and 5, but A have only 2 and C have only 8. So 5 is here, so write 5 here, and 3 is here, so write 3 here, right? And cross it. 5 to the 10, ratio 5 3 is 15 and 8 3 is 24. Suppose this is 10x, 15x and 24x. This is A, this is B and this is C. A plus B plus C is 98. So 10x plus 15x plus 24x is equal to 98. Now add this. 10 plus 15 is 25. 25 plus 24 is 49. 49x is equal to 98. Now see here, 49 to the 98. So x is equal to 2. We need to know what is second. What is second number? So 15x, 15 to the 30. 15 into 2 is equal to 30. So second number is 30. Now see here friends, A, B, C, A plus B plus C is equal to 98. A ratio B is 2:3 and B ratio C is second and third 5:8. So if 5 is here, also will be 5 here, and 3 is here, also will be 3 is here. If suppose here 2, so also here will be 2. Only suppose it, so 3 is here, so also will be 3 here. Now 5 to the 10, 3 into 5 is 15 and 8 into 3 is 24. A plus B plus C is 98. So 10 plus 15 is 25. 25 plus 24 is 49. 49 is equal to 98. So 49 to the 98, right? We need to know what is second number. Second number is 15. So 15 into 2 is 30. Now let's move to next question. Question number 3. The average weight of A, B and C is 45 kg. If the average weight of A and B be 40 kg and of B and C be 43 kg, then the weight of B is. Now see here, average weight of A, B and C. A, B and C is equal to 45 kg. 45 kg. Now see here, A and B be 40 kg. A and B is equal to 40 kg and B, C is equal to 43 kg. A, B, C, there are 3 persons, so divide by 3. If divide by 3, so total age will be total kg will be 45 into 3. So now 5 3 is 15, so 135 kg. A, B, there are 2 persons, so 40 into 2 will be 80 kg, right? B and C, there are also 2, so 43 into 2 will be 86 kg. Now see here friends, A, B and B, C. So B is common, right? So first of all add this. 80 plus 86 will be 166 kg, right? Now A, B, C 135 kg, but A, B, B, C is 166. So 166 more than 135, right? So 166 kg minus 135 kg will be B kg, right? So 166 minus 135 is equal to 1 and 3. So B is 31 kg. If you ask what is A is, so A is will be 80 minus 31 because A and B. So A will be 9, here is 7, so 7 minus 3 is 4. A is 49. If they are C, B is 31 kg. So if C is, what is C is? C is 86 minus 31. 86 minus 31. So 6 minus 1 is 5 and 8 minus 3 is 5. So 55 kg. Right? A is 49 kg, B is 31 kg and C is 55 kg. Right? Now see here, A, B, C 45 kg is average. So total kg will be 45 into 3 because there are 3 persons. So 45 into 3 will be 135 kg. Now A, B, there are 2 persons. So 2 persons 80 kg and B and C 43 kg average. So total kg will be 86 kg. Now see here, B is common, right? So 80 plus 86 is 166. 135 is ABC and ABBC is 166 kg. So B is 2 times, right? So 166 kg minus 135 kg is equal to 31 kg. If B is 31 kg, so A is 80 minus 31 kg, because AB is 40 into 2%. So 80 minus 31 is equal to 49. B is also 31 kg. C is 86, right? 86 minus 31 kg. So C is 55 kg. Question number 4. The average age of 3 boys is 15 years and their ages are in proportion 3:5:7. What is the age in year of the youngest boy? Youngest boy, eldest boy. Youngest means a small boy. So now see here, the average of 3 boys. Suppose A, B and C. There are 3 boys, 15 years. 15. So there are 3 persons. So multiply with 3 means total 45. Right? Now in proportion 3:5 and 7 ratio. Suppose this is 3x, 5x and 7x. 3x plus 5x plus 7x is equal to 3, 5, 8 plus 7 is 15. 15x, right? 15x is equal to 45. 15x is equal to 45. So x is equal to 45 by 15. So it will be 3, right? 15 3 is 45. So x is equal to 3. We need to know youngest boys. What is the age in year of the youngest? Youngest means 3. 3x. So 3 3 is 9. 3x is equal to 3 into 3. 9 years. Youngest boy is 9 years old. Option A is the correct answer. A, B, C. Average is 15. There are 3 persons. So 15 into 3, 45. Right? Proportion given 3:5:7. So suppose this is 3x, 5x and 7x. So total will be 15x. 15x is equal to, his age is 45. 15x is equal to 45. So x is equal to 3, right? We need to know what is our target to find what is youngest. Youngest means a small boy. A small boy is 3 because 3 is less than 5 and 7. So 3 into 3, 3x, because 3x is equal to 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. So option A is the correct answer. Thanks for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon as well. Thanks.